just acquired this BMW X6. It's the 40D. It's rarer than the 3 litre. It's got the upgraded alloy wheels finished in gloss black. Paintwork is absolutely great on this car. Drives fantastic. We acquired it in part exchange against another BMW. Wouldn't really be acquiring a car this age of mileage, but it's fantastic. Absolutely lovely. It's got this running boards. They're in all great condition. Park distance control. Electric. It's all absolutely stunning condition. Looks like a car a third of the mileage. Got another carpet mat there. Put it down there. It is the 4-seater. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric memory seats. It's got paddle shift on the gearbox. Cruise control, satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats, media pack, DAB radio, Bluetooth, nice armrest here. Hill hold assist, automatic headlights. It's in absolutely lovely condition. If you'd like any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.